You should not trade on demo account. This is essential and also key point. This is my experiment after 10 years. I start trading with $10,000 account and I lose all of it. Once you hear these things from anybody, you have to run. There is no way that you can trade and you can earn. There is no strategy. If you're just stepping in the Forex market, stop. You have to watch this video. This video will help you to avoid losses. Or if you are losing in the Forex market, definitely this video will change your life. In this video, I will tell you some point that will change your mind from Forex market and price action or any other analysis. But before going and reaching to that level, I just want to give you some small points that is essential. And after that, we will go for the important part of this video. By the way, I'm Hector and I have more than 10 years experience in trading, especially in Forex market. First point that you must consider it as a beginner, it's a regulated broker. You have to find a regulated broker for yourself and avoid of using the broker that they do not have a good license. And beside of this regulation, you have to consider that the broker must have a low commission and low spread, and also the withdrawal commission should be very low or should be zero. This is very important. These three key points that you must consider for finding a good broker. The next one, it's very essential. You should not trade on demo account. Many traders or brokers are recommending to start trading with demo account, but I'm against of demo accounts because I believe that everybody can earn money on demo account because emotion are not involved in demo account. You must trade with a real account with a small balance like $100. But as you also know, in Forex market, less than $10,000, you will lose your money. Brokers wants you to lose all of your money because retail traders are losing their money. Your account must be more than 10,000. So what you can do as a beginner, you want to involve $100 real account and you want to trade like $10,000. What you can do? You have to go for cent account. This is essential and also key point. If you want to change your trading style, you must go for cent account, especially real account, instead of going for demo account like $10,000. You know, this is my experiment after 10 years. I start trading with $10,000 account and I lose all of it. Just go with $100 account and change it to cent account. You can easily ask your broker, do you have a cent account? And they will help you. Most of the brokers has, and once you check their regulation and also their commissions, you can ask from the cent account, and instead of standard account, you can deposit $100 balance and change it to cent account. So in this case, your MetaTrader shows you 10,000 USD balance. So you can trade by this amount and you can manage your risk better. Another key point, you have to register yourself in a broker. Like your account will be A, you will use the IB link from A account and register one of your family member in a B account. So your trade should be in a B account and you will receive some money as an IB in A account. So by this technique, you will reduce the commission that the broker will give from you. So this is a good technique that you can work for yourself. Once you open any position, you will receive money in another account. So let's go to the most essential part of this video. It's about strategy. You know, many of us has this question. I don't know where I have to start the Forex market. There are so many YouTube videos, so many education traders that are telling that we will give you signal, we will give you high win rate strategy. Once you hear these things from anybody, you have to run. There is no way that you can trade and you can earn. There is no strategy. If you just search on the internet, what's the percentage of win rate for the traders in the first year? You will see 97% of the traders are losing. You know, all of us know that by drawing some line, you can earn money. So why 97% of them are losing? We have to think by ourselves. It's as difficult as we can see. It's not difficult. Once you draw any line, you can find the resistance, you can find support. You think that 97% of the traders, they do not know about the strategy. They do not know where to open position or where close position. All of them know. And if you hear about them, you will see that they are telling that we knew this, but we don't know what happened. This is the idea that market makers wants you to know. They have a bot that they call it market maker bot, and they put it on the system like any currencies, cryptocurrency, whatever. And they create this fluctuation for you. And sometimes they hit the stop loss of the sellers. Sometimes they hit the stop loss of the buyers. And most of the time you will lose your money. I just want to give you one experiment. You can just open one chart, whatever chart, like gold, and close your eyes and draw one line easily without seeing the market. And after that, just zoom out and check the market. You will see that there are some respect and some rejection on the line that you draw blindly. So what does it mean? It means the market all the time respect to the line that you are drawing. Any line, whatever line you draw, the market are respecting to that line. So this means this is something funny about the market. You have to empty your mind from this education that you receive already, and you want to start trading by this. Just forget all points. Instead of going for one strategy, just find one money management strategy. This is a key point for trading in Forex market. If you have a big amount, you can check the market like by fundamentally. For example, right now I know that the gold price wants to increase. Based on the fundamental news, I start to open position without checking the market price, the current price actually. My account is huge enough and I can open with a small lot size and hold that position. And after a while, the market goes against me, so I will open another position. And after a while, market goes against me, and I will open another position. I knew that the gold is valuable, and based on the fundamental news, it still goes up. Or I knew that that cryptocurrency based fundamentally it's valuable, and I just want to open a trade. Instead of following the fluctuations, just follow the trend based on the fundamental and open position and manage your money. You can find some money management strategy like grid system, like martingale or whatever. Based on your balance, you can find the best money management strategy for yourself, and forget all the strategy that you had before or you saw on YouTube about indicator, about price action drawing line. I tried my best to share my experience that I had within the last 10 years about Forex market, and I hope this video was useful for you. As always, take care of your trading, and do not forget, if you like this video, subscribe my channel to do not miss the next.